What up, y'all? It's your boy Beamy back at it again with another shoe review. And this time I'm going back in the past and re-uploading this video that I did before. Man, my younger YouTube days. Man, we're gonna get it right this time. So what I got here are the Yeezy Adidas 350 Boost. Colorway is white, sea black, and red. Size 11, retailed for $220, and I picked these up in, I believe it was February. And man, these shoes are clean. You got your white black colorway. You see, you got the red Supply 350 insole Yeezy Adidas Yeezys. White shoelaces. You got prime knit all around. Got a pull tab right here. That's white, black dots. Of course, we got the boost on the outsole. You got a translucent, I say milky translucent outsole. And hey, that's the Yeezy 350 Boost. And you can't forget our 3M on the back, reflective. And man, so these were these my first pair of Yeezys? Think so. No, I take that back. I think it was the triple whites that were my first, but these were probably my third ones. I liked them, fit true to size. These were actually the first ones that I got that the prime knit on the front, you know, these are so narrow. These were not so tight like the other ones, like my sesames and my triple whites. Those things are so tight. I still haven't even been able to really break them in, but these right here were good. And I like them. And I mean, it's pretty simple colorway. It's black and white. Can't go wrong with more like black white with the hint of red. But you can't go wrong with these. And yeah, you know it's only right. Your boy Beamy got to hit you with the own feet. So let's get to it. The only way we know how to do it. So as you can see, man, these are a go. I originally thought these were re-releasing in the US in June, but apparently it was only in Asia. They did not re-release again in the US. So hopefully, maybe another shock drop, who knows. Till then, check out shoe reviews over here and the blogs over here.
Look at that, Brian.